Well, happy day, everybody. Look what I have. Cash Express Luxury Line. Why can't I say that? Cash Express Luxury Line. I have got the 50 Lions version. Look at the major, $6,223. That mini, $100. The minor, $500. The grand, $15,855 and 53 cents. Let's not forget 54 cents, 55 cents. My gosh, it keeps going up. 56 cents, 57 cents. I better bring this camera down before I drive you guys crazy. Okay, I've got my lucky $100 bill in there, plus $4.81 that I had random ticket. So let's hope this $104.81 is going to be magical. Now, my palms are already sweaty. They were just coming over to this machine because I said 10-cent denomination, 750 bets is where this magic is going to happen today. It is going to make us rich, you guys. I've got my green ring on so that it brings the major train out. So I'm channeling green. I've got my green wristband on, green ring on. We're just green. I have green eyes. I am set. I am set. My ant logo is green. I don't know how much else I can do. My card says it's green all around it. I don't know, you guys. I'm being silly. Let's just get to it. 750 bets. Here we go. It's not going to give us many spins, but we can do this. Lions all the way across, or we need 3 of the flowers on reels 1, 2, and 3. Like that, but we needed 2 more. Any numbers we have here, if we land the star, we get to collect them. If we land the gold train, we get to go for the gold train upstairs. Missing 1 flower. I have faith, you guys. We can do this. We can do this. We need to, oh. That was a lot of money there. Well, oh my gosh, we got it. We got it. Okay, we can have up to 10 cars, but we at least get 3 cars. So each car is worth $35, I believe. Yeah, $35. Come on, 10 cars. Oh, I'm so excited. Yay, yay, and yay. Okay, we got the minimum 3, but $105. Woohoo! Awesome. That's great, you guys. Okay, brings our amount to our ticket above where we started at 100. So now we're at 150, 149.81. Wonderful. Okay. If you guys, so gross to feel my palms, but they are so sweaty. We're going to continue on with this 750. The flowers got to come out, and we're going to pick the luxury line feature. And we're going to get that major train, you guys. I so wish that counted as a flower, but it doesn't. Darn it. Oh, so having heart palpitations. That was great. $50 and $20. Do it, even that one. Breathe, Ant, breathe. Whew. Even lions all the way across would be fantastic. I am enjoying all these spins, you guys, because they are exciting. There's some zebras and some aces. Not quite a win. Oh, darn it. Okay. Half of our original 100 is gone. We've now just put back 100 because we were at 149. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, we get to collect that amount. It's only $10. But it's something. Oh, go, go. Well, we got them. They do pay for 2. And it's $25. Sorry, just took a sip of my Diet Pepsi. Oh my gosh, just missing 1 on that first reel. Okay, come on. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, on a 750. Oh my gosh, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, go ahead. Sorry about that. I'm clapping for myself, you guys. All right. We're going for this one. Yeah, right. Here, we just need trains. All 4 trains and a gold train. Here we go. Hello? There we go. Train. We got a train. We at least got a mini. Green? Green train. Green train. We got the grand train. Okay, didn't get a train over there, but we got a mini train and a grand train. Oh, this is exciting, you guys. Oh my gosh. These are all dimes. So $15 so far, $18, $20. Oh my gosh. That mini can show up in any car if it wants to. Okay, not super huge, but it's a great win, $43. Now the granddaddy of them all, the Grand. These should have really decent numbers in them. Wow. Come on, say grand. Already over 100. Come on, say grand. Over 200 now. And all this was on our original $100, you guys. Oh my gosh. Over 500 now, you guys. Come on, grand. Come on. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Over 600 now. What an amazing train car that was. 644. Oh my gosh. That's an express win. Absolutely. Let's let it add everything up because we've got that one, we've got that, and then we've got all this too. I think it's over 700. 770, you guys. And a 750 bet. That's a big win. There's 100 times our win. No. Yeah, 100 times our win. Our ticket now, $796. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Fabulous. Okay, we're going to bet max now, $50 spins, and we're just going to take it all the way down. I'm kidding. Okay, staying with 750. Here we go. Oh, wow, that was incredible, you guys. Woo-wee. I can't believe we got that grand train. Fabulous. And here I just wanted to see the major train. That really helps my day out because, you know, I got to Peppermill maybe about, 3 or 4 hours ago, and I've just been picking the wrong machines. You know, when you get into a casino, we're all hyped up and we're like, we're gonna do it, we're gonna pick everything so right. And I literally, every machine I've gone to, I've picked the wrong machines over and over and over. So this is certainly helping big time. One more. Oh my gosh. I thought for sure. $21. That's a great one. We had 5 of a kind aces. Oh, train. I saw you, Grand Train, up there. You were just hiding. $5. Oh, there's a little bit of lions. It's the first time we've had 3 reels. $11. Well, you guys, I am going to stop right there. That's a great place to cash out. We put in that $104 and what was it, 21 cents, and we got this up to $700. We had it a little higher, but it just decided to start taking back our money. I'm not going to give it any more. You guys, if you're not subscribed here and you want a whole lot more fun videos, go ahead and subscribe. You want to leave me a comment? Please do so down below. And thumbs up the video. I would really appreciate it. And until our next video, you guys, take care of yourselves. Have yourselves a beautiful day. You know I love you, love you, love you lots. Take care. We'll see you later, you guys. Bye.